Hello everybody, welcome to Dometic Leisure. My name's Adam and today I'm going to show you around an Elddis Autoquest Cv20. This is a 2025 model. It's the 2.2 140 brake horsepower 6-speed manual. So it's 2 travelling, 2 sleeping, and you can drive it on a standard UK licence. So let me show you around some of the features. You'll notice it's on the new Fiat because we've got the new grille, which tells you that it's a 2025 model with your Fiat alloy wheels. On the CV20 you get underslung gas tank, so it's a 25 litre tank, you fill it straight into the side. We've got your toilet cassette with your drain off points underneath, and then we've got your water point and your electrical hookup point as well there. On the top you can probably point out we've got TV aerial. There is Wi-Fi up there because we've got the Connect pack, which means you've got a winter pack, you've got Wi-Fi, and we've got a solar panel as well. Barn doors on the rear. I'll open these up so you can see on the inside. 2 long benches, which I'm going to show you more of when we get inside. But they have storage underneath, which you can access from the end as well. We'll leave them open so you can see when I come round. On the passenger side, at the top, you've got the wind out Dometic canopy, full length, with an LED awning light up there as well. Electrical entrance step. And you can see it's the 60th anniversary limited edition CV as well. And then we've got your diesel point with AdBlue. They all come with that now, the AdBlue. So on the inside, we do have a fly screen on your door. We've got them on the windows as well, so no problems with that. Into the cab first. I'll let Jack show you down that end. So we've got the standard Fiat cab with the Pioneer upgrade head unit in it, cab air conditioning, 6-speed manual, and we've got a cost option of cab blinds on this one as well. So on the windscreen, driver and passenger door. We've got 2 captain's chairs that both swivel, and you've got a freestanding table just behind the seat there. Up above, I'm making Jack spin around here, you've got your main control panel for your van. You've got your whale heating and hot water control, so it's all, you can run it off gas or electric. And you've got the level indicator for your underslung gas tank, so you're never going to run out, you're going to know what you've got. Kitchen, so down the side here you can see we've got loads of storage drawers with a power point, and that's for your electrical entrance step. We've got decent sized sink with a 2 gas burner hob and 1 electric ring as well. And then we've got a combination oven and grill underneath with plenty of storage cupboards for your kitchen. Up above, another cost option, we've got your microwave, and then a further storage cupboard just to the side of it. And then if Jack spins round, we've got your compressor fridge, really generous size with a freezer compartment as well, and it's in a nice elevated position, so no bending down to get in there. And then here you've got wardrobe storage in there. Moving down the van, I'll let Jack give you a guided tour of the bathroom. So we've got your sink, toilet, shower, opening skylight, there's storage in there as well, there's mirrors, everything that you'd expect to see. And then down into the rear lounge, so this is what we saw from the outside. 2 really long benches. Now you've got a couple of options with these. Some people will just use them as single beds, or it does pull together to make a big double across the van. But if you do that, this section here stays as seats. So if someone is asleep, you can get up and sit there as well. And if you want to leave the bed made up, you've still got a couple of seats there, and you've got your seats in the front as well. Plenty of storage lockers. There's the regulator for your solar, which is on the roof. Same on this side, more storage, TV booster, USBs in there as well, and then there is your Wi-Fi. We have got a TV bracket ready, so all you need to do is put your telly on and plug it into the controls underneath, and away you go. Underneath both benches we've got more storage, and we've got plug sockets down here as well. So there's USBs, there's main sockets, so there's plenty for what you might need. And I think that's about it. So it is in stock, it's here, it's available. If you do want to come and see it, pick up the phone, ask for me. My name's Adam. We'll get you an appointment, we'll get you down here, and I'll show you around. Thank you.